off the root ends. If you slice your peeled garlic clove in half, like this, you see a green tinged sprout, this one, growing from the stem end. I choose to remove this one and discard it. The sprout is edible but tends to have a bitter taste. Simply slide the tip of the knife, sharp knife, like this, and under the sprout and peel it off to dislodge the green bit. I have taken approximately 500 grams of garlic cloves, and also I have cut the root ends off and also removed the garlic sprout. Then take equal parts of ginger and green chilies. Here I have taken 100 grams of peeled ginger, grams of green chilies. Then I take all the ingredients into the blender jar and add a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to blend them all together to fine paste. I'm going to blend them into 2 batches. This fine paste, now pour them into the ice cube trays and freeze them. Then store in a freezer safe airtight bags. I used stasher bags here. These cubes are super handy for cooking and they store for 3 months in the freezer.